Hey everyone, the new Agent Chat Builder is seriously powerful. Today I'm going to be showing you a few cool things you can build with right inside the playground. Let's start with a few examples that show just how flexible these widgets are. Now, if you see my previous video, you'll remember the Weatherman Stylist agent, that one that checked the next day forecast and told you what to wear. All you had to do was type in the location and it showed you full weather breakdown in a custom widget. We'll do something similar, but we'll tweak the existing widget and we'll build one from scratch too. Before we move on to creating a brand new widget, we'll just check out a few examples just to show what is possible. So here you've got an example of an agent where you supply it with a CSV and then it presents the data in a much more meaningful way. And this is quite neat actually because it mixes clean data presentation with nice interactive layout. You've got the student name, scores, and a subtle hover animation that makes it feel interactive. It's not just the text on screen, it looks quite polished, so I could see this in a real product in a teacher's classroom. This one's another cool widget where it shows you the book recommendation and it's quite visual. It's got book covers, rating, and a bit of spacing that gives it that App Store feel. It's great for showing how the widget builder handles images and cards. Honestly, it looks pretty solid. You can hand this straight to a bookstore as their chatbot UI and it will feel like the finished product. So if we move on to creating our own widget from scratch, and if you remember from previous example, I was creating a Weatherman Stylist which generated a 5-day forecast and summarized each day combining weather details plus outfit recommendation. So what we need to do is go into the tools, select web search. We don't need to be specific, just click add. We also need to select widget from the output format. You can select text, JSON, widget. And if we select the widget, we'll then create. You are then taken to the widget builder. The widget builder then has its own gallery of pre-built widgets, which you could select from. So considering we're going to build a widget from scratch, what we need to go is go to the top, select new widget. And the easiest way to do this is go to ChatGPT and tell it to create you a prompt. So create me a prompt for widget.chat.studio. I want the widget to display a 5-day forecast with what I should wear considering the weather. And what it does, it creates you this whole prompt that you can then copy and paste. I don't think you need all of it, but if you just copy and paste, don't need the edge cases. And go back to your widget builder and just paste it into here. And it will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once we've created our widget, what we want to do is download the widget. Once you download it, go to Agent Builder, select on the widget, and we want to upload. We then upload our widget and it will show you a display of what the widget should look like. And now we can preview it. So if we do location to be London, and it's just working in the background, doing the web search, searching the web. So it's brought back information, and there you go. Information on the weather forecast for the next 5 days in London, what I should wear. It's not that visually appealing at the moment, but I could play around with this widget, change it so the information is much better to view, and also add a bit more color into this widget. That's it for this one. It was just a short video to show what's possible when creating widgets and how easy it is to build from scratch inside the Agent Chat Builder. Hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.